how to get credits in Brawl Stars. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up game and there are few ways. The first one being the XP ladder, and over here you can just simply open up the XP ladder, complete the different tasks, and you would be getting the credits as you move forward. And if you have the pass, then you would get even more, and this is how it goes, the first way. And the second way is through the trophy route, and for this you just have to complete the game and the trophies and collect the trophies, and after that you would be able to get the credits quite easily. Just simply collect them, and here it is. This is how you would be getting the credits, by collecting the trophies. And another way could be that when you open up the brawlers over here and open up any particular brawler, then click on the records over here, then you would be able to find so many different tasks that you can complete, and for completing them you would be able to get the credits. And it is completely random, so we don't know whether we will surely get some credits or not, but there's a chance that you might end up getting the credits. Another way could be by going to the club, and over here you can simply join any particular club and then get it. But that's also quite unpredictable and not a guaranteed way to get the credits, but still there are chances that you might end up getting the credits. So these are some ways that you can use in order to get the credits, and if you have the pass, then the chances of getting credits are quite high, and also you would be getting more credits for completing the same number of tasks. And this is how you get the credits. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.